So I thought I'd show you a cool little trick. This last hole, you're going to go up into a blind hole at the top of the starter like this, and you can't really see what you're doing. A lot of times you can get your other hand up in there where you can feel the end of the bolt, but usually you need a wobbly on there. But a standard wobbly does this. So you put the bolt in there, you go up in there, it does one of those, the bolt falls out. So you spend an hour chasing this bolt, and the wobbly goes down too far like that. So what you do, take some electrical tape, and right at the joint of the wobbly, you're gonna wrap that. You're gonna wrap that joint with tape. See how I did that? I just wrapped the joint. Wrap the joint with tape. And what that does, it's gonna allow you to turn it like that, and it's not gonna fall down and let the bolt fall out, but it still gives you that wobble. So it just stiffens that wobble up and makes it easier to work with. And the same thing goes for the bolt. Take the bolt, put it in there, take the tape, let it overhang right on the edge. Just a couple wraps like that. Just like that. Now the bolt won't fall out. So now you got that like that, you stick that up in the blind hole, it'll stay straight like you want it to. And just use your hand to get the bolt started. You'll know when it started, you'll feel it. And then once you get the bolt started, you can run that in with your hand. Usually you're out here on the very end like this. And then when it bottoms, then you reach up in there and you put your ratchet on there and go ahead and tighten it up. And this will save you so much frustration. I mean, you're not chasing that bolt. And when you drop this bolt sometimes, good luck finding it. You know, sometimes you'll never find it again. So, you know, in the comments, if you got tricks like this, leave them in the comments. I'll show you another trick you can do right here with a piece of paper that in a pinch can get you out of a bad spot.